Vamos a Luba ahora. This is Equatorial Guinea on the island of Malabo. I see a lot of stars and symbols like the obelisk here. So I'm wondering if there's a lot of masonry connection here. I'm going to take a look at this monument here near Luba. And it looks pretty interesting. There's even a plaque on the side. They created Luba as a new free port for docking because Malabo was too large and crowded. So this is the second largest town in the island of North Bioko. It's called Luba. About 7,000 people live here. Today I decided to take the bus, or rather a minivan, over to Luba, which is supposed to be not interesting at all. But I'm seeing a nice little village in the distance. I just decided to get off from the van a little early to enjoy the weather and the seaside. I'm waiting for my visa for Central African Republic, which supposedly is dangerous, but if I go just for a couple days, I should be okay. I just got this call now at 10:30 a.m. that my visa for Central African Republic is good. Luckily, I have a local phone number. They can contact me. So I'm good now. I'm going to leave here to Bata, go visit the new capital that's supposed to be built. Currently, it's called Oyala. And then I'm going to head to Gabon. I'm also going to try to get a visa for Cameroon. Then I'm going to head to Central African Republic. I'm also going to visit Benin and Togo. I got an online visa, an e-visa for Ivory Coast. And then I also need to head down to Sao Tome and Principe, which I also have e-visa for. So that's my itinerary now. I still got about 35 days left in my trip, so I hope I'm able to cover all those 6 countries, upwards to 10 if I'm lucky. So we're almost in Luba. What was your name?
Carlos.
Carlos was able to pick me up. So we're all. How many people live in Luba?
How many?
How many people?
Maybe 2,000. It's a small city.
Small city, okay.
Yeah.
And is there anything for me to visit?
Yeah, there is a riverside.
Oh, okay.
And also there is some small village close by. So,
what about the church? Cathedral?
yeah, the church is also there.
Okay, maybe I'll go visit it.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks a lot for the ride.
Okay.
The water is so clean here. Now I'm walking through some alleys of Luba. ¿Cuánto cuesta la plátano? $2,500. So Lily's Whiskey River Bar and Restaurant. Your name?
Huh?
Your name?
My name is Lily.
Ah, just like the sign.
Yeah.
So it's easy to make the sign's name. Okay. So how long have you lived in Equatorial Guinea?
8 years.
8 years.
Yeah.
Wow. So you came here when you're really young.
Uh-huh.
Like how old?
22.
22 when you first arrived?
Yeah.
And now?
Now 8 years. Now 30.
30, okay. Wow. So you like it in Equatorial Guinea?
It's okay.
It's okay. So, all right. Well, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
All right. Take care. So here's a nice area, kind of like a plaza to take a rest. And they also have like a big screen TV to watch movies at night. So that's what they do here in this village of Luba. It's quite a small town, nice area. It's very peaceful here, not stressful like it is in Malabo. There's no government buildings, so you can take photos freely. So I'm going to continue my stroll around Luba and see what else I can find. This is a really old building. I don't know how old it is, but it looks really dilapidated. This one's old as well. There's even plants growing on it. Oh, this is a really old building. This whole place is being renovated, including the church right here. This church is getting a complete renovation from the inside and outside. Either that or it's a brand new church, but I don't think it is. I see the altar right there. It's completely getting renovated. But looks like there wasn't any roof at the top either. There's no tourists that come to Equatorial Guinea, so it's kind of funny because they'll have a nice church but no visitors. But it's fine, I'm here. So at least I get to look around. Here's a bird's eye view from the top. I basically climbed up the stairs to see what's up here. Now I want to see how far I can go. Here's some more stairs up to the steeple. I climbed up all these stairs and there's still more to go. I'm gonna try to see how far I can get up. Maybe I'll be able to get to the roof. Here's the roof. And it still keeps on going. But it looks like I'm made it to the top. Oh yeah. Wow, there it is. Here's the bell. Wow. I'm pretty sure this is original. These are original bells. And then I could make this. Maybe everyone's gonna look at me now that the bell rang. That was cool. I got all the way to the top. There's plants growing up here, and there's graffiti inside the bell. 3 bells here. And that's about it. Now let's see what we can see. We can see the ocean. Wow, I finally made it to the top. I've always wanted to climb a cathedral in my life, and I finally achieved my dreams here in Equatorial Guinea. Hola.
Hola, buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Qué pasa?
Yo mirar.
Solo puedo tocar porque padres y padres escuchar.
¿Problema?
Sí, tú tocar.
No puedo ir aquí.
Tú solo mirar, pero no golpear.
Oh, solo mirar, no.
Sí, no tocar.
Ah, ok, lo siento. Alright, so thanks a lot for taking me out.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I'm surprised you speak English. Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Alright, great. What's your name?
My name is Chris.
Chris?
Yeah, Christian.
Okay, nice to meet you, Christian. I'm Jason.
Jackson.
Jason.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice to meet you too.
Alright.
Bring it on, are you ready? Are you ready? No matter how you try, don't you ever fall. Keep your head up high, standing tall and rising, rising, rising. Keep it rising, rising, rising. Bring it on. Bring it on. It's finished.
Yeah, that's a really good song, yeah?
Huh?
It's a good song.
Yeah. You want me to play it again?
Yeah, can you? What's the name of the song?
B square. B square.
B Square, okay.
Yeah. Bring it on.
Hey, what is this area?
It's a school.
Ah, school.
It's a school. They're building the university here.
Ah, university.
Yeah, it's a very large university.
Ah, okay.
It's a very large university. It has been a long time, you know.
Yeah. This is the Nigerian that picked me up. He was a nice guy. Alright, so I was passing by and I met this guy at the shop. What's your name?
My name is Francis.
Francis. You gave me a lot of information about the fruits yesterday.
Yes, I give you.
Yeah, where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Oh, okay, great. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Alright, hey, I was just curious, the marks on your face?
Yes, the mark of my face is the time I was born northern south of Nigeria. So my father was giving me the mark on my face. It's no problem.
No problem.
No problem. That was the mark because of I would say I'm a twins.
Ah,
One girl, one boy.
so the girl has different marks?
No, it's not a different mark. You have the one on my face.
Ah, okay.
The one the girl have is too big than my own.
Bigger ones?
Yes, it's big
Ah,
one.
okay.
Yes.
So what about your children? Are they gonna have marks too?
My children, no, I cannot give my children this kind of
No?
mark. No. I cannot give them.
How old were you when he gave you the mark?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I was too small that time. I
Oh,
don't
so you
know.
you don't remember the feeling?
No, I don't remember the feeling.
Ah,
I don't
okay.
remember
Maybe
the
you were crying when you were a child.
yeah, I'm crying that time.
Ah,
That's
okay.
why
All right. But in Nigeria, it's popular to have like marks on the face.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. Like East, they have every state have their own mark.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Okay.
like my own state, they are having this
Ah.
one here. Some are having this kind.
Oh, really? Okay. Ah, so it's common. But what about these days? Nowadays?
Yeah, these nowadays now, they are not giving that type of mic now.
Not anymore.
No, it's not now.
So it's like old-fashioned.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Because now person who have this kind of mic now,
Yeah.
or the person was seeking or something the other, they are now giving this kind of mic.
Yeah, okay. Well, thanks a lot for the explanation.
Okay, thank you very
All
much.
right.
What is your name?
I'm Jason
Jesse, from where?
from USA.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Which particular part of USA?
Nevada.
Nevada.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll keep in touch.
Okay, even
Okay.
my brothers, some of my brothers, they are there.
Oh, really?
Yes, some are there. One is a doctor, one is army.
Army.
Yes,
Ah,
they are
okay.
nationals in
Yeah.
America.
All right.
Okay,
Take
thank
care.
you. Thank you
Bye-bye.
very much. Thank you.
All right. So it was nice meeting you, Adele.
Thank you.
Thanks for all the tips.
Thank you so much.
So you say I should keep the money inside my socks.
Yes, keep it because there are many thieves around.
Ah, okay. What about it when I go to the airport?
Yeah, even going to the airport, you need to pack it well
Okay.
inside your socks. So that even those in the airports, they don't have respect for people. They search people's bag.
Oh, really? And then they'll want money.
Yeah, they'll want to ask you money for no good reason.
They'll just make up excuses.
Yes.
Ah, okay. All right. I'll be careful. Tomorrow I go to Bata.
Yes, be careful.
All right. So we'll keep in touch.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, thanks. All right. So I got picked up with by some teenagers. ¿Cuántos años tienes? 21. Okay, so 20-year-olds. It's very good. So 2 in the back and 2 in the front. And your name again?
My name again is Junior or
Hi.
Frank.
Frank.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
My name is Capo Pants.
Ah, okay. Very good. So I'm enjoying my hitchhiking ride. Wow, such a steep road. Okay, muchas gracias por the ride.
No, no pasa.
Okay, no problem.
Estos caracolas.
Ah, Caracolas.
Sí, aquí es Caracolas.
Barrio. Okay. What's your name?
Remy?
Remy?
Yeah.
What's your full name?
My full name Remy Hill.
Remigio.
Shima.
Sima. Okay,
Okay.
nice to meet you. I'm Jason.
Okay, nice to meet you too.
I went like this. Do you know what this means?
Yeah, someone teach me. Someone teach me.
Okay. But did you ever pick up hitchhikers before?
No.
No. So I'm the first one.
Yeah, you're wrong.
Wow. So that's good. I'm so happy to get a ride. You're from here?
Yeah.
How did you learn English?
I thought I was working with the American people that someone
Ah,
of them they teach me.
they taught you.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. All right, great. Well, I'm just going back to my place, and then tomorrow I go to Bata.
Tomorrow you're going to Qatar.
Yeah.
Wow.
I stay here for 6 days.
Wow.
Yeah.